Good day, sir. I am John Clifford Zibalios, and today I will show you my mini library. Here we have my Form 1. It consists of book title and a text field, author, author, the text field of the author. And we have 5 buttons: the add book, update book, delete book, clear selection, and search book. Here we have a data grid and a search for searching a book. So we will run this mini library. So the book title is Mape. Then the author is John. So if we press the book will be added successfully. So in editing this, we will simply press the book and it will show its information. So this we will change this book name mathematics. And the author is John Doe. So if I press update, the the, the book will change its information and deleting a book. So same as updating, you will press the book and it shows the information and press delete, so the book will delete successfully. So the clear selection is something like this. It displays its information, then you will update the book, will clear the selection, then you can type whatever you want, so the book will be updated. So for example, science, the author is Sean, then it is no, okay. So in searching a book, simply type a the book name or the author's name. For example, this mape will show the details of the book, eh, or the author. You will type the author, it will show same thing. That's all, but I will show you my codes. So in the add button, here are my codes. Add, if we click, it will add the one update, delete book, the clear selection will clear all the fields in the text field, and the search, it will return the books details. So behind this we have my database. So it is called a library DB, and the table books, which consists of book ID in primary key, book title, and the author. So so this will show this is the books that I added earlier, and the ERD. It is one entity ERD. The properties of my ERD is book ID, book title, and the author. So the book ID is the primary key, and the entity's name is book. Thank you and goodbye.